Okay, for this video we're going to begin to build a structure of our HTML page. So we'll come up here and we'll make sure we're in the index.html tab. And we're going to put in our doc type declaration, which is $, exclamation point, doc type, HTML, greater than sign. And this is a doc type declaration for HTML5, which is the latest version of HTML. Come down here, we'll put in our opening HTML tag. And we will put in our closing HTML tag. These HTML tags all start with a $, and then the content of the tag, and then a greater than sign. Most HTML tags have an opening tag and also a closing tag. The closing tag has a <, sign and also closes with a greater than sign, but has a backslash. These two HTML tags will have the entire document nested between them. And we will put in our head tag, and then our closing head tag. The head will have a lot of behind the scenes document information that doesn't render. For the most part, it doesn't render. And then the body tag will have the content that will actually render. And then within the head tag, we'll have our meta char set tag. Oops. So meta char set equals UTF-8. UTF-8 is the character set for the English language. So if you speak English, then this is what you're more than likely going to use as a meta char set. Next we'll have our title, and this actually will render in the browser in a little tab, but not actually on the web page itself. So title, we'll just say Mike's page. Mike's web page. And then we'll have our closing title tab. And this white space doesn't really matter. It's not recognized by HTML. Next we'll have our link to our CSS. And what this is this is our style.css, which is a file here. And if you look at our file structure, it's actually right here too. If this style CSS, which sometimes it'll be in a folder, if it were in a folder like this images folder, but in maybe a style folder, then you'd put the name of the folder, and then you put a backslash, and then you put the name of the document. But it's not in a folder, so we just actually it's in the same root as the index. So you don't actually have to put a folder name. So here we'll have link href equals style.css. Then we'll have rel equals style sheet. And this will just basically tell the browser what to do with this document. Then we'll have type equals text backslash CSS, and we'll close this tag. We'll link our JavaScript. JavaScript will put in a script tag. Oops. Put in a script tag. And then it'll be followed with the source equals script.js. And that's the name of our JavaScript tag. Same thing applies here. If our JavaScript were in a folder, a scripts folder, or any other folder, it would be the name of the folder, backslash, and then the name of the document. But since we just have it on the same level as we have our index page, we don't have to put in a folder name. Then we'll close this tag, and then we'll also put in a closing script tag. And that's our head information. And in our next video, we will follow up with our body.